Holy shit, it's here. Tony? Where? So this came today. I often say you can never have too many clamps. This is, well, the most expensive clamp I've ever bought. And the coolest one too. Let's take a look. So this is from Virutex in Florida, United States. And I don't normally buy from US companies for what should be fairly obvious reasons. However, you just can't get this anywhere else. So if that's where you gotta get it, that's where you gotta get it. This is a vacuum clamp. And it's gonna help me hold my guitars without having to crush them in the bench vise. All right, what do we have here? We got a little clamp. It looks like that's to clamp it to the bench. We've got some gaskets, instruction manual. Looks like a air hose. And here it is. The Virutex SVN 460 vacuum clamp. So we hook this up to an air hose, and it can either be vacuum or pressure. It'll work either way, which is super cool. Got a knob on the side that'll loosen it to let us set it at angles. And it'll also rotate this way. So let's just get it set up and working, and then we'll try it out with one of our guitars. Okay, let's try this thing out. Seems to be stuck on pretty well. But look at that. Now I don't have to worry about crushing the guitar in my workbench to hold it. You've got a really nice zero damage holder. It comes off as easy as that. That's cool. So to let it off, all I have to do is put my finger over the outlet and it lets the pressure off. So to put it on, I just stick it down to the tube. If I want it off, I put my finger over that and it comes right off. Now, what does this thing come with? It comes with these other different sized gaskets. So right now we're using the whole size, but what if I had a smaller piece? Well, I could just pop one of these smaller gaskets in and just use less of it. And that's pretty cool. So I want to shout out to Driftwood Guitars in Florida for mentioning this amazing tool. This is going to change a lot for me. I have actually crushed a guitar, well, cracked a guitar in my bench vise, which was really annoying. And now I never ever have to do that again. So, thanks. Thanks for watching that video with your eyes. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Feel free to share this with your friends, and if you want, leave a comment down below. Yeah.